So water quality issues, some of our biggest issues are combined sewer overflows, which I mentioned the EPA numbers on that for New York City are 24 billion gallons a year of raw sewage are going into the Hudson and the East River from sewage treatment plants like Newtown Creek. Newtown Creek sewage treatment plant is one of the biggest ones in New York City. That one happens to get sewage pumped under the East River over to it from Manhattan. It's a particularly large, complex sewage treatment infrastructure. Other big issues that we have in urban settlements are what we traditionally would call environmental justice issues. Environmental justice issues are when dirty industries decide to set up camp in low-income neighborhoods with things like toxic waste incinerators and bus depot centers. And it's estimated by the waste disposal companies themselves that they're creating what they call like a 9-mile long convoy of tractor trailers going out of New York City every day carrying trash to transport this 12,000 tons of trash. Meanwhile, we have some of the worst air quality and leukemia problems directly related to the air pollution that's being created by all this diesel. So you could solve a lot of what's happening by closing the loop. So in permaculture, when we look at an urban infrastructure, we're asking the question, what are the inputs and what are the outputs, and how can we start to make more use of what's coming in and turning that into a resource before it passes out. So if we have food coming in and then we're consuming a great deal of that and then sending that back out of the city, that's an energy flow that we could start to look at redirecting quickly and with a fair amount of ease, is to start to encourage more composting.